Slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened well.
Amanda.
Hey.
Where are we right now?
Kauai. Kauai.
First morning in Kauai on our honeymoon.
Tacos.
We got the tacos. We got the barbecue. And this is our view. We're going up the Sleeping Giant trail. It didn't say Sleeping Giant on the trailhead. Oh wait, you want to check mail?
Yeah, let's check our mail.
Sleeping Giant's mailbox?
For daily archery pig hunting. How come we're not doing that?
Wait, did you bring your bow and arrow?
No, Ben has one. I could have borrowed it.
Ben, we could be hunting pigs. Oh, look, what's that?
Oh my god.
That's a rock. All right, let's go. All right, we are climbing to the top of Sleeping Giant. And when I say climbing, I mean climbing. It's turned from hiking to climbing really quick. All right. What? Oh my gosh. We almost stopped way down there, and now we're way up here. Look at this view. Amanda and I are on top of this peak, and there is rain coming at us right now. Oh. All right, now we're heading back down because the sun is setting right now. I don't have my watch, but I know it sets right now. We looked earlier. Amanda, you ready to hike back down a mountain in the dark?
Sounds like we've done it before.
That's true, we have done that before. We made it.
Whoop.
Oh, our car. It's one of the only ones in the parking lot. That's us. There's our Nissan Versa. They call it the Cadillac of Kauai. So we went all the way up there.
All the way. Right, the right one, right?
Yeah, the right one.
Yeah.
Can you hear those chickens back there? We have seen quite a few chickens, and I'm going to try to film more as we come across. Amanda, where are we?
We're
don't remember.
Shika something.
Oh, coconut curry. Oh yeah, pour it on there. And I got butter chicken.
Classic.
Review to come. Okay. This is our review of Shivalik Indian. It was the most expensive Indian food we've ever had. And it was the
worst.
absolute worst Indian food we've ever had. Butter chicken's one of the most basic meals, and it tasted like marinara sauce, sweet marinara sauce with rice. How about yours?
Well, I got the coconut curry, and I don't think there was any coconut in it.
There's no coconut. It tasted like dal.
Yeah, it was not good.
So
Don't recommend. Don't
sorry.
go.
We don't
to
mean to,
McDonald's.
we don't mean to be downers, but McDonald's is probably better than that Indian
Yeah,
food.
agreed.
All right, can't win them all.
Yep.
I like my sunsets like I like my wife. Amazing.